And there you guys have it. This is my Eventuri. All right, today is a big day, and the reason why is because I have my new Eventuri air intake that is going to get installed on my C8 Z06. It's gonna be a good one. Looking forward to it. Should be a nice little power adder. The box is pretty big. I thought maybe I could fit it in the front seat or whatever, but that's just not the case. So what I had to do was open it up, unpack everything, and throw it into the front seat. That's how I'm gonna get it to the shop so that we can get this thing installed. Also have a few other items with me too as well, which I'm not sure if I'm gonna do all in this one video. I'll split it up into multiple videos. I'll let you know once we get to the shop what those are. I'm excited. This should be good. I mean, a lot of people are jumping and raving about this Eventuri air intake kit. They're saying that it's good, saying that it adds power, that they can feel it. I haven't seen anybody take it to a quarter mile yet or anything like that and run it. I'll go do that here in the next couple weeks. But I'm excited to get this thing on and just see what kind of extra power I'm feeling from this new addition to the Z06. A lot of people are starting to do these bolt-on mods. Bolt-on mods are cool because they're not super intrusive and also help you add a little bit of power, but they're not going crazy overboard. You're not going and building the motor or adding a supercharger, turbos, or anything crazy like that. You're just keeping it very bolt-on, something that can come on and off very easy. So this should be good. I'm pumped about this. This is a new addition that I've been waiting for a while for this car. So we'll see how this thing goes with this thing. Also too, for those who are watching this video, thank you so much for watching. I'll have this kit on my website so that you can all go on there and buy it if you want. Same retail price you can get from anywhere else. So please, if you like me, you like my channel, you want to see me keep doing all this stuff, jump on my website, which is www.jessewujiperformance.com. Jump on there, order stuff. You know, all the parts that I throw on this car I pretty much have on my website. If you don't see something on there that you want for your car, email me and I can probably get it for you. And once again, I'm not charging you more than what normal retail is. It's the exact same retail as you can get anywhere else. So instead of going with someone else, just go with me. Getting ready to get to the shop so that we can get this thing installed. Been just enjoying the last moments of the power level that the car is at right now. And then once I get there and we get this thing installed, I'll have new power levels. That's the goal, right? And once we get it all on, I will be doing some street testing and all that. Just feeling what this whole rave is about. Everyone's talking about it. Intake, intake, intake. There's multiple companies that make them now. I got this one. I got the Eventuri. I like the way it looks. I've been hearing great things about it. So let's just see what it's about. There's only one way to find out, and that's by getting it and getting it installed.
Here we have the OEM front lip. We are going to be removing it and installing the carbon fiber version. So we're going to be installing a new carbon fiber lip. We already have it unwrapped and set up. We got to wipe it down, clean it before we install it.
The front lip is in 30 minutes.
Panels to be able to access the fasteners for the front lip. You can see up inside of the bumper. So we'll take all that apart. Get some of the panels right here. Now we're going to be removing the trim pieces from the trunk to be able to install the intake and the cutout for the see-through passage.
And there you guys have it. This is my Eventuri air intake now on my Z06. And boy, does this thing look super good. Sorry if my voice sounds crazy. Over the last few days, from the time I started this video till now, it's been a couple days now, I got sick, so bear with me. My voice might be crackly, it might sound weird, but all good. I'm getting better, I'm here, so I'm powering through. Man, I'm super pumped about this. So I got this installed at SC Motorsports. They were very kind enough to put this on for me. I actually dropped the car off and let them have the car for a couple days because there's multiple things we had to do. We had to put the Eventuri air intake on it. Also had to install this very cool new front lip that we have. This is a Z07R front lip that I have been working with a very special manufacturer to get this thing designed and 3D scan the car multiple times, and now we have it fitted on. It's way more aggressive than stock. This thing is freaking sick. Just way more surface area. Look at that difference right there. Look at that surface area difference. It's just way more than the stock one that comes with these cars, which means that that's going to add more downforce on the front end of the car, which is something this car definitely needs. You can see where the air is going to be flowing through a little bit better through there. Obviously a lot more surface area from here to here compared to the stock one, which ends like right around here or so. Definitely just a lot more surface area for this front splitter. Something I'm super pumped about, adding more downforce. And then also too, something that you can't see on here but you saw earlier on the video and stuff, we have the MSS Springs that we added on this car, so that stiffens up the ride. And I actually drove a little bit so far, got to feel that, but I'm gonna get on the road and show you guys. Sorry for the dirty car, but I'm gonna get on the road, show you guys a little bit more driving with this thing and just kind of tell you my thoughts and feelings about everything on it. Cool thing about this front splitter is it's dry carbon. It's not that wet carbon, you know, infused whatever crap, whatever they do for other process. Dry carbon, perfect carbon, the best carbon. The thing is sick, super glossy, shiny, everything. I need to wipe everything down. Obviously this car hasn't been clean in a little while. It's been in the shop for a couple of days and it was dirty before it got there. But man, we add that front splitter on now, which gives me that front downforce. We got the MSS Springs on. This will add and increase the stiffness of the car, rigidity of the car. And then you have this Eventuri air intake, all these combinations, including my ported throttle body from Solar Performance, and then you have my Speedway Composites cross brace kit on the car. You start adding all this stuff together. Can't forget my beautiful sounding AWE exhaust down here. You add all this together, it just makes this car perfect. Like, I don't know if there's other mods I'm gonna do after this, who knows, but this is it's pretty sick the way I got the car right now. I can't wait to track test this thing. I'm gonna have to street drive it and show you my reaction on just what everything feels like, sounds like. It's just such a great combination of stuff. It makes me pumped, even more pumped to have this car and to know that there's these cool bolt-on mods that aren't too crazy intrusive, but makes this car even better. I do eventually plan on having a wing. We're working on developing that, but for right now, this is our Z07R that you can go get on my website. Just go to jesseWujiperformance.com and you can find this on there and order it. It's like I said, not more intrusive. It is obviously longer, right? It sticks out a little bit more. There's more surface area that's taken all of it, you know, all that. So you maybe got to be a little bit more careful when you're parking. But obviously, all y'all got the front cameras, so it should be no worry. This thing is perfect. I'm so pumped to drive this thing, especially on track, and I'm about to go feel this thing out on the street and tell you guys how I feel with all these new mods. Man, so this car feels even better than it's felt. I mean, I've always admired how this car out from the factory felt amazing. I've always admired the power delivery, even though the car wasn't supercharged or turbocharged or anything like that. Just even NA, the power delivery has always been really, really good. But when you throw on that Eventuri air intake, we throw on that Solar Performance ported throttle body, when you throw in all that stuff, you have the AWE catback exhaust, you throw all that, you mix it all together, you really create this absolute beast. Now the car, the power that it has behind it is just amazing. I can't make this up on how good this car feels right now. I'm just using my butt dyno. This car is making definitely more power. How much exactly, it's tough to say. All I can really say is more power, for sure. You can feel it. You know how your car feels. You know after driving, I mean, I got 26, almost 27,000 miles on this car, so I know what it feels like without the mods. Now with the mods, it's just... I can't even go fully wide open throttle. I'm just gonna end up like looping this thing. This thing is powerful. Holy crap. Wow. The smile on my face is, it hopefully tells it all. Downshift a second for a second. Oh gosh, this thing is good. It's very good. I think the combination of all those mods together is exactly what this car needs. Now, when I say needs, not that this car was lacking, but if you're looking for more, these mods do it. These mods definitely take the cake, and they're bolt-on, very easy to do. You can take it to any shop, they can knock it out, and it doesn't require any tuning or anything. Now, when tuning comes out for this car, obviously we'll be able to maximize these mods even more, but for right now, it's good. I love it. Definitely making this car more fun, for sure. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. Every time you get on the throttle, you can feel that extra power delivery. The horsepower is there. Third gear, fourth gear, it doesn't matter. I was just on the highway before I even made this video, just kind of trying to come back and find a nice little open area. When I was driving, I was just like, okay, let me just change some lanes, speed up a little bit, accelerate, whatever. I was like, holy crap, I got power in places I didn't even know I should have. It's just there. Whenever you need it, power is definitely there. You hear that spike? That spike is the tires spinning. Like, it's overpowering it. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Man, I love it. I give it an A+. I can't wait to get this thing to the dyno to see how much more power this car is making. Because for me to easily spin the tires like that, this car grips really, really well. It doesn't do it like that. Like, doesn't spin it that easy. So for me to easily spin it like that, and it wasn't like, oh, a little bit of a spin. I was just straight, almost I was going and then just in place to spin it. It just tires were getting overpowered because of all this extra power. This is awesome. I'm so happy I've done these mods for this car, and I can't wait to take this to dyno. But not only dyno, I can't wait to bring this to the track, the drag strip. I can't wait to take it to the road course track as well. And speaking of road course, I got the new Z07R, that's what we call it, Z07R front lip that's on it, the splitter, bigger, more surface area, which means more downforce. Can't wait to see how that helps me out. I can't wait to see how that helps me out with the front downforce. Something this car needs for sure. When I'm going through the corners, a lot of times I end up having a lot of understeer, and I'm wanting to get rid of it. And I think having this front splitter is definitely going to help for sure. So also too, handling wise, I'm not going to be able to test it that much right now on the street, but I do have the MSS Springs on this, which stiffens up the car, which is once again something you need, right? It helps out with responsiveness, but also when we're adding more downforce, you need a little bit stiffer springs to handle that extra weight that's being pushed down on the car. Oh my gosh, these mods are amazing, and I'm really pumped that I now have it on the car. Hopefully this video wasn't too long. I tried to squeeze in a lot. I'm gonna save you all from 10 more minutes of me smiling and just getting on the gas and having fun with this car. But I will be making more videos, diving a little bit deeper into each mod and showing you kind of what results I'm getting now from them. There's a lot of stuff to do, man. When you get new mods on, there's a lot more cool stuff, a lot more cool videos I can make. And I can't wait to get it on. Thank you all for tuning in. It's been fun. Can't wait to the next video to show you what this new stuff is doing for the car and how it's making this car a better performer, not only on the track, but on the street as well. Thank you all for tuning in, and big shout out and thanks to all those partners who have been with me and continue to help me so that I could do all these great things. So big thanks to AWE, big thanks to Speedway Composites, big thanks to MSS for making those springs, big thanks to Eventuri for making the air intake, big thanks to Solar Performance for the porta throttle body and the throttle controller. Big thanks to all these folks for doing the great things that they do to make modifications for our Z06s. We love modding cars, we love having fun with them, we love ripping around. So big thanks to all the companies who are doing a great thing to make these cars better. So anyways, thanks for tuning in, everybody. Hopefully my voice gets better for the next video. Right now I'm just, still a little bit under the weather, but getting better. I will see you all on the next video.